Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture of your Qwenlm AI account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. After you are on your browser, search for Qwenlm AI. In the search results, find the link with chat.qwenlm.ai and navigate to that website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the profile picture of your account, you need to go to your profile settings. At the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Now select the settings options from here. Once the settings menu appear, in the left hand side you can see different tabs. Head over to this account tab. In this tab you can see your profile information. You can see your profile image, your name. In order to change the profile picture, you need to click on this profile image. Now select the profile picture that you want to upload from your device. For now, I'll just select a random photo from my device. And as you can see, my profile picture has been changed. Now in order to save this, here you can see the save button at the bottom. Just click on it. And your profile picture is changed successfully. That's how you can easily change your profile picture of your Qwenlm AI account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.